Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool. The dishes are done. The dogs have been walked. It's time to sit back and relax in my official practice uniform. And let's do some online shopping together. Does your jam group have a secret Santa? Or maybe you have a family member that's starting out in the ukulele world and you'd like to get them something? A ukulele teacher, a friend, yourself? That's what this online guide is for. Almost everything that I'm going to talk about has got a link down below to Amazon so that you can just go right online and shop to your heart's content. So let's look at the $10 and under category. I want to talk about these strings that I got. These are really cool. They're Aquila Reds. And these are pretty interesting strings. They feel different than any other string that I've ever encountered because the diameter of the strings are pretty consistent across all 4 strings. They've got a really bright sound, almost a little guitar-like, if I dare say. And I've really been enjoying playing these. You can get these at the $10 and under range for the sopranos, concerts, and tenors. The baritone strings are wound. I'll include a link for that too, but they're a little bit different breed of fish. And you have high G options and low G options as well. I like having a tabletop stand. I've got several of them, and I found one in the under 10 category. Now, you have to remember that just like any tabletop stand, if they get bumped, they will go down. But this one seems like it's cute, it's foldable, it has good reviews on it, and people say that it works for a soprano, concert, and a tenor. So, what's wrong with that? Practical? This is a very practical gift for your ukulele friend, whether they're beginning or more advanced. This is super sturdy. I got this within weeks of getting my first ukulele, and it is held up. It's laminated. Got a link down below for it, the exact same chord chart, and it has some more advanced chords on it. I mean, I don't always remember what a B flat major 6 is. I just don't carry that around, but there it is on this chord chart. So this is a great and practical gift. Capos are always a nice gift for Christmas, and this one I found, look at it, it's red, and it comes in other colors too. How awesome is that? So that would make a great gift for somebody that doesn't have a capo already. Are you with me so far? Then I would really appreciate if you would hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell as well. I am a small little niche market provider here. I believe in spreading the ukulele love, and if you do those things, it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps YouTube know that this is appreciated and gets the word out to other people that might not have found this channel. Huge fan of straps for your ukulele. Oh, sorry about that, baby. Straps, I love them. I got this one off of Amazon, but I didn't see this one exactly, and there are some straps at the $10 and under range. In fact, I have a link to one that has Van Gogh's Starry Night on it. Here's just a few of the stickers that I found on Amazon that I thought were pretty cool. Ukaholic, if you know somebody that's got ukulele acquisition syndrome, this is a great sticker. This is being shown in a 5x5 size, so in order to keep it under $10, you need to go with the 3x3 size. If you want something on your car, a vinyl sticker, life is better. I can't beat that. A car sticker, that's something that, lots of people would love to have. And if you've got some kids on your shopping list, well, then why not a Disney character with a ukulele? Great stickers. I'm going to be getting these for myself. These are strapped adapters, and they allow you to hook your strap onto your headstock. And that's how I used to play, except for I found that string in the way so darn annoying. So when I drilled out my ukulele so that it had a strap button just where the neck and body join, I've been doing that because that's where I was told you need to drill it. But I'm thinking of going back to having it attached to my headstock, so I'm going to get one of these and I'll let you know how it goes. If you have any experience with these, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Lastly, in the $10 category are these beautiful friendship bracelet headstock ornaments from Survivor Girl. Now, you can't just click on a link to get those. You have to write to my email, and I'll give you the information on how to get the money to me, along with give me your address, and I'll send these in the mail to you. I'll let you know which ones are available. These are the nylon ones. They're $10 and under. I've got a link up here to Lori Calaveg, who's the founder of Survivor Girl. This is an organization that provides a shelter for girls rescued from human trafficking and forced prostitution. And Lori goes there and teaches them ukulele in a very structured, loving way. She's a marvelous person, and she does this 6 months out of the year, and so that the girls can even have their own ukulele when they leave the shelter. So awesome program. So you're helping spread the ukulele love and buying Christmas gifts. Well, kicking off the 20 and under is still, again, the friendship bracelets for Survivor Girl. The cotton ones are $20. So got a good selection of those. These sell like hotcakes. And so you're doing good and spreading ukulele love and all that good stuff for the holidays. Well, friends, I have a joke about me. I'm thoroughly paper trained. I love having paper in front of me. It just gives me comfort, you know, as like a classical musician. So I have a music stand. In fact, I vowed I am never going to perform by rote again. This is like my security blanket. I've had this stand for like 15 years. It's great. It's yellow. It makes me happy. And there's all kinds of colors available. It has 3 different levels of moving up with screws and nuts. I play with it outdoors. It has an adjustment that's right here as well, so you can adjust the angle of the music stand. Folds up super compact, has a case to come with it, although I don't know where mine is anymore. But and there's even now some electric add-ons. So I can't say enough good things about this stand. If you don't have one, why not? The first headstock tuner that I ever got was a Snark, and I just got kind of the basic model. And I'd see people with these red ones, and I just thought, well, they're just red and sexier, right? Well, when I finally bought one for myself, I discovered, oh, there's a little bit more to it than just the color. First of all, it's just a little bit beefier on that headstock attachment. It feels more sturdy. And then also, I'm going to show you this. See this little thing here? So if you're playing at gigs, or maybe you're doing open mic, or even performing at a place where there's lots of noise going on, you have the option of doing vibrate or microphone on your headstock tuner. So if it's on vibrate, it's going to pick up you more selectively than if it's on the microphone. So this really is a little bit better tuner in my opinion. And it also has a place where you can do the tap metronome for it. So splurge. Get this for a friend or yourself. It is really handy to have a beefy tote bag or gig bag, you know, particularly if you're like me and you've got a music stand and your music and stuff that you're bringing along with your ukulele. Being able to stick it all in one bag is a huge plus. So I found these great tote bags that are very similar to the one that I have. They have a flat bottom. They have bright color on the straps. There's an outside pocket and an inside pocket because you need a place to stick your capo and your water bottle and all those good things. So boy, if you have a ukulele friend without a tote bag, this is a great present. Well, if anybody has been following this channel, then you know that I really like t-shirts. And this is one that one of my ukulele buddies got for me. She's awesome. Hi, Betty. And so I love this shirt. I have other ukulele t-shirts. Shirts are great, 20 and under, if you know what their size is. To share with you a t-shirt that one of my girlfriends has. That's what I do. I play ukulele and I know things. Well, that's, if anybody's a Game of Thrones fan, they know what that's about. But there's a whole ukulele lovers store online, and they have everything from some holiday themed ukulele t-shirts to some religious ones and just some really good ones. So check out their entire store. You'll find lots of different t-shirts on Amazon that are just really awesome and wonderful, but I thought I'd share with you something that's rather unique. I found Uku Designs by Jill Hadley as part of a store. I haven't met her, but if you know Jill, have her contact me. And she had some beautiful, more fantasy element t-shirt designs. Here's a close-up of one that's done in black and white. Another one that she has her own unique style. and I really liked it. So I thought I'd share with you something that's a little bit out of the ordinary. Well, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? It's a little bracelet. I got this from one of my ukulele friends. Love it so much. I wear it all the time as part of my collection of bracelets, and under $20 makes a fantastic gift. You don't have to worry about size or anything. I love my bracelet. Speaking of out of the ordinary, did you know you could get ukulele socks? Yeah, I didn't know that until I started digging. And then ukulele underwear, both men's and women's styles as well. So I had no idea. So there you go. You know, even your undergarments can be ukulele related. So as we make the transition out of the end of the $20 and under price point to the more expensive price points, then I have a link here for cloud music. I found some gorgeous, gorgeous ukulele straps there at just, in the under 20 category. In fact, here's one that I would like to have for myself. And they have many more, huge variety and selection. And then at just over the $20 price point, they have some really beautiful cases. I've never tried one of these. I can't attest to the quality. Maybe somebody else has experience with them. But we've got such a huge selection of these Hawaiian style floral cases. And I thought that they were just really pretty and would make awesome gifts. I showed you this case before, and I am really sorry to say that this case is out of stock currently on Amazon, but I'm going to include a link down below for it. I have this case, and two other of my ukulele friends have cases like this, and that's why you got to have stickers so we can tell them apart. And it's a great case. It's so svelte for travel, so if this comes available again, I have really wonderful things to say about that case. This case is not sexy. It's pretty boring, yep. But it's on the inside. That's what counts, right? Yeah, that's what I always say. So this is insulated with styrofoam. So this provides for your ukulele like a little climate-controlled atmosphere. So if you're going to have to put your ukulele in the car and you've got extreme temperatures of hot, cold, or air temperatures like humidity and dryness, and even in your house, problems of humidity and dryness, this case can help preserve your ukulele longer. And so this, I had a demonstration by a luthier just at how much humidity or dryness affects wood. And it was a pretty, that was an eye-opening demonstration. I'll have to video that sometime. So yeah, this is not expensive, but if you have expensive ukuleles, you might want to consider this. Lastly, if you're thinking of giving a ukulele as a gift, consider a Hurricane Concert Koa Wood ukulele. I am not sponsored by this company, but oh my gosh, I have fallen in love with the quality of this instrument for a beginner, intermediate player. Well, here, I'll tell you what. I did blind sound tests with this laminate koa wood ukulele with my much more expensive solid koa wood ukulele, and musicians, non-musicians, ukulele players, non-ukulele players preferred the sound of this instrument to my instrument that was 5 times more expensive. Additionally, this is really a pretty instrument too. It's much prettier than that open headstock, maintains its tuning really well. I've been performing and playing and doing some of my tutorials on it, so check it out. This is a great value. The case is awesome. So if you want to give a very nice, gorgeous, adult looking ukulele, I can't say enough good things about this ukulele.